Delta 104, clear for takeoff 10 left, wind 150 degrees, 02 knots.
Takeoff 10 left, Delta 104.
A350, pista no zero esquerda, vento 150 graus, 02 nós, tem livre pouso no zero esquerda.
Pouso autorizado, pistão no 0 da esquerda, 3567.
Delta 104, there is a fire in your wing, okay? Wing. Call 12045 now, Delta 104. A3567, libere a pista e chama o solo 269.
Libera 269, 357.
Meia-noite vai manter a posição, o Delta que decolou agora estava com fogo na asa e tem fogo na pista também agora, vai aguardar um pouco aí.
Ok, tá 369. Torre, tem uma previsão para 3668?
Tem nenhuma previsão, por gentileza, deixa a frequência livre.
Delta 104, where's fire rescue stopping on the runway? Delta 104, Mayday, Mayday, where's fire rescue?
On the way, the fire rescue on the way.
Fire rescue, Delta 104, you on the frequency?
Okay, Delta 104, the fire rescue is right behind you.
Are you still showing a fire? Say, are you still showing a fire?
We cannot see it. Let me ask you to the fire workers.
Are they on this frequency?
No, they are not on this frequency.
What frequency are they on?
And E8F frequency, you cannot reach them. It has to be through me.
Okay, I need to know if they're still seeing a fire.
I guess that's just stand by.
Delta 104, where's fire rescue? Tower Delta 104.
Delta 104, there is no fire. They cannot see fire. They are right behind you.
Okay, confirm no fire. Please confirm no fire.
It's a starting fire on the landing gear.
Okay, are they fighting the fire? Are they fighting the fire?
No, not yet.
I need to know when they're fighting the fire.
Okay, I'll let you know. It's on the left side of your landing gear.
Okay, are you showing flames from the engine or the landing gear?
On the landing gear.
Okay, are they fighting the fire? Are they spraying on the landing gear?
We are not fighting the fire yet. I'm just checking. Stand by.
Tower Delta 104 needs to know if they're fighting fire.
I just couldn't get the information from them if they are starting or not to combat the fire.
Well, I need to know very quickly.
They are requesting for you to shut down the engines.
Alright, engines are shutting down. Engines are shutting down.
Thank you.
Tower Delta 104, give me an update, please.
Stand by. They're starting to combat the fire, Delta 104. They're starting now.
Where is the fire?
Left side of the aircraft at the landing gear.
Okay, only at landing gear, please confirm.
Only on the landing gear.
The 104, copy.
Tower Delta 104, we need updates on the status so that we can determine whether we need to evacuate the airplane or if everyone can stay on board.
Okay, I'm just asking them.
Thank you.
Tower Delta 104 needs an update now.
Give me 1 minute. You do not need to evacuate the aircraft. The fire is under control.
Delta 104, copy. Fire under control.
Delta 104, the firefighters are approaching your left side to check the number 1 engine.
104, copy.
Delta 104, they said now there's small fire on your engine number 1, and they're starting to fight that fire now.
104, copy.
Delta 104.
104, go ahead.
They're still fighting the fire, but it seems you're going to have to evacuate the aircraft. Be prepared, and I'll let you know when it's safe to evacuate.
Okay, is the fire under control?
They say so, that it's under control, but apparently you're going to have to evacuate. Be prepared, I'll let you know when it's safe.
I'm not going to evacuate if the fire is under control.
Okay, let me check that.
Delta 104, update, please.
They're still fighting the fire on the landing gear and at the engine number 1.
Roger.
It's not safe to evacuate yet.
Delta 104, update.
Stand by. Delta 104, the firefighter said now that the fire is fully under control and it's not going to be necessary to evacuate the aircraft.
That's very good, fully under control, understood, thank you.
And I assume we need some kind of arrangement.
Sorry, the two people were talking to me at the same time. Please say again.
Hold on, we're getting an update from the flight attendants and they're saying there's a strong scent and there's a strong smell, but we're not evacuating.
Okay, so they just confirmed right now that the fire is fully under control, both on the engine number 1 and on the landing gear.
Okay, engine and landing gear fire is out then.
Delta 104.
Delta 104.
It seems that they were able to put out the fire entirely, and then now you're going to have to wait for a tow truck to take you to the gate.
Delta 104, copy. Are all our tires inflated or did they go flat?
Let me ask. Delta 104, the firefighter said all your tires are inflated.
Okay, very good. So we will wait just for a tow truck to tow us back to the gate.
That's correct. Could you please tell me people on board?
Stand by. Delta 104, 288, 288, souls on board.
Thank you. And the remaining two?
Delta 104, we have 11 hours of fuel.